Anyway, I can try anything, it's the same circle leading to nowhere. And I'm tired now anyway, I've lost my face, my dignity, my look, everything is gone. And I'm tired now, don't be scared. I found a good job and I go to work every day on my own bicycle you love. I am piling up some unread books under my bed, and I really think I'll never read again. No concentration, just a wide disorder everywhere around me. No, I'm so tired now, don't worry. I often go to dinners and parties with some old friends who care for me, take me back home and stay monochrome.